Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today is a very exciting day here for me as it is the very start of the Gumball 3000 Toronto Exotic Car Rally. So we're actually heading down to Toronto, Ontario today, and we're gonna go down there and see some beautiful supercars and get all of them on video for you, or at least as many as we can, and just sort of take it all in. So without further ado, we're gonna head on down there. I'm not gonna bore you guys with any subway content or anything. All I can tell you guys, it's always been an absolute dream of mine to see a bunch of supercars together, revving up and down the street. And today, Young Dundas Square is going to get lit up with that daily driven exotics Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. I can't even wait to hear it. I bet it sounds completely different than it does on camera. So let's head on down there, you guys. And yeah, this day is going to be incredible. Definitely one to remember. So yep, see you guys down there. Anyways, you guys, and just like that, we are back home from the Gumball 3000 Toronto start to the rally. Everyone is now in Indianapolis today, headed to Nashville as I currently sit here in my kitchen and edit this video. So I just want to give you guys the heads up that that might not be every single car that was part of the rally, but a lot of them, because I was personally just taking it all in. I knew I was going to post, but you might not see every single car if you guys were there. But I did post the ones that I really thought were valuable to a video and to putting up on YouTube for you guys. So anyways, thank you guys so much for stopping by today's video. I hope that you guys found the video interesting. Just a lot of rollers of a lot of cars rolling through downtown Toronto on Yonge Street and Yonge Dundas Square. And that was an absolutely incredible experience. We'll definitely go to the next rally. I think the next one in Toronto is coming in July, and that is Ace Spade Rally. So I'll definitely head back down there with my buddy again. And yeah, we'll throw up you guys another video when that time comes. Unfortunately, I don't have $75,000 US to drop on the Gumball 3000 rally. So I also don't have a car that I could technically take and look half normal.